Through this video, we'll tell you what is the best way to print PNG files. So let's start the process. Go to Google and enter SysTools Image Converter. Clicks on the link shown over your device screen. To download the tool, click on the download button. Then install and run the software. Let's start the process. This is an interface of the software. On the right side of the panel, here are a few buttons such as: if you want to add a file and add a folder, here we have the Add File and Add Folder button. To remove something from your data, after importing, then click on the Remove and Remove All button. And if you want to change the order of your imported file, then select the Move Up and Move Down buttons. For the present, I am selecting Add File button. Window open. Select the image and move by clicking on the Open button. Now data imported. In the destination path, we have Convert and Print as radio button. Select the Print button and click on the Next button. Next, we will proceed with the further steps. See the description for the video link.
And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.